we're from the Technical University of Munich, and we are developing carbon capture and removal plants. We are a student initiative with around 30 students from the TUM, and we are using our free time to develop those technologies. So we are developing a carbon capture and storage technology. So we want to cover the whole process from a direct air capture, and afterwards we want to store it. And this is what you can see here. It's our first pilot plant. It's what we've developed in the last year, and the concept we've come up in the last year with. And what we're going to do in the next year is to scale it up. And the idea is, and the plan is to build a plant that can capture 20 tons of CO2 per year out of the atmosphere, and that will have the size of approximately 3 shipping containers.
Yeah, so it's our first expo ever, basically, and we're very happy to be here. And in general, it's a very positive atmosphere. A lot of people, we feel like, and it's been a lot of fun. Everybody really liked what they saw, I believe. Not just in our case, but in general, everybody felt very positive, and it was great.
We had a lot of people that were coming to us from the TU and from professors from other universities that were really interested in what we are doing and really like what we are doing, and it was great motivation also we had from the industry. We had a lot of companies that were interested in what we are doing, and probably we will have a few partnerships afterwards with the companies, and hopefully we will get some great advantages for us from this expo here.